absolutely insane. So this wallet bought roughly $8,000 worth of Shiba last August. And the wallet, it's now worth over $5.7 billion. It's from $8,000 to $5.7 billion in roughly 400 days. Now this may be the greatest individual trade of all time if they decide to close it. And this tweet was brought to you by Morning Brew, which is a very nice morning newsletter system they sent you every morning, and I highly recommend it. There's a link in the description if you guys want to sign up. It's not a paid advertisement, it's just a great product that I subscribe to. So there's a link to the actual wallet, and you can see from the wallet is that this actually still has the ether in here, but the Shiba value is now over $5 billion. So whoever, bought this like last August has not moved their coin at all in 400 days. So I just want to tell you how insane this is. If you've been following Shiba Inu, the coin, you probably know that it's been going up insane in the last few days. So we can take a look at Shiba Inu, and the chart, it's just that it's a coin which Elon Musk sometimes promoted, and people think that, hey, we have this Dogecoin which went up pretty insane. Now they want to go with Shiba Inu, and as you can tell from the top 10 rankings, Shiba Inu is now actually the 9th most popular highest market cap cryptocurrency in the world. At some point yesterday, it was actually the 8th or the 7th because the price was 0.0008 something. So it's come down a little bit, but the price is still insane. It went up 49% in the past 24 hours, and it's just going nuts. So what do you do when you see things like this? There's a tweet, like this tweet has gotten a lot of attention in the social media. A lot of people has been talking about this, and people were like, oh, I should have put in some money into Shiba last year and it could have made me rich, right? So usually from experience, I've been trading for so long and I've seen stories like this all the time, but not this crazy. Usually when you see stories like this on the news media being mentioned, and even like your mom or your aunt is talking about this, it's usually too late, because the value of this thing at its current valuation, it's hard to go like 1,000,000% up like this guy did, right? Right now, the current price of Shiba Inu is already at a all-time high. It's already at like way more than its value than a year ago. So the time to get that 10,000,000% gain or 1,000,000% gain is gone. Because for Shiba Inu to go like, if you look at its market cap, it's $41.89 billion. And if you look at Ethereum, it's 494. So that's about roughly 10 times the market cap of Shiba Inu. So if Shiba Inu goes up 10 times, it will actually overtake Ethereum. And then if it goes up another double, it will overtake Bitcoin. So for this to happen, a lot of people are calling for Shiba Inu to go to 1 cent. Now there's this tweet right here. So Shiba might beat Doge in market cap, but you are being fooled if you think it will come close to its price. There are 394 trillion coins in circulation. So there are 394 trillion Shiba Inu coins in circulation. So if the price hit 1 cent for Shiba Inu, it will have over 4 trillion market cap. That's more than all the crypto coins combined. Like if you look at the total market cap of all cryptos, it's only 2.7 trillion. So if Shiba Inu hits 1 cent, its valuation, its market cap alone will be 4 trillion, right? So that's 2 times bigger than all the crypto. So do people really think that it will be 4 times bigger than Bitcoin? So that's the thing right now, and that's the atmosphere of this marketplace, is that there's going to be a lot of stories like this, sensation like this, and a lot of social media pumps for coins like Shiba Inu, which has absolutely no application, and Dogecoin as well, which even the owner like stated it was a joke. So people are going to pile into stories like this, and even like tweets like that doesn't really help, because people will see this and they'll be like, hey, maybe I'll put some money into Shiba as well, and maybe it will make me rich in a year. That's not going to happen, and I can guarantee you. And all it does is for you to buy the top, and then eventually when this dumps, you will be left holding the bag. And similar story happened to this person, right? So Taylor Green, she invested like $50,000 in Trump's SPAC before it plunged. Now the Trump SPAC, it has very similar story, right? DWAC. People were talking about, oh, this is going to be like the company that Trump picks for his social media. Like when that story was hot, like social media, the news talking about it, it went from like $10 all the way to 175. That's 17.5 times return in a day. And little did you know, like, I mean, if you follow the story, it dumped, right? Right on top, somebody dumped all of their stock holdings, and now it's trading at 58. So imagine if you, like, this is the point where Shiba Inu is at right now. It's like somewhere up here. So if you buy in here, somebody will just dump on you, and then you will be left holding it like at 58. So you lose like 2/3 of your investment overnight. That's what can happen. I'm not saying it will happen because I don't know how long this pump will continue on Shiba Inu, but when they're dumped, you are going to be left holding the bag. And this story is a little bit misleading because this person has $5.7 billion worth of Shiba. So I think that's like 20 to 30% of total supply for Shiba. So for that to happen, this person needs to sell all of these, right, to realize a $5 billion gain. But the market for Shiba has so little liquidity right now. That means like when they start selling, the price of Shiba is going to get affected. So they won't be able to unload all of their Shiba at this price. It will most likely drop as they sell their Shiba. And when that happens, his average price won't be at this price when they sell it. So they will be probably most likely much lower than that. So that means if they were to sell all of the Shiba, they won't make 5 billion. Probably they make 1 billion, which is still extremely nice, or maybe a couple $100 million. So either way, this person is great, in a great shape. But if the wallet has not been moved for the past 400 days, it could mean a few things, right? One is either the wallet, it's the person lost the secret key to the wallet, they won't be able to access it, or the person has passed away, or they forgot about it and totally don't know what their secret key is. What that means is that you got $5 billion worth of Shiba that's locked away and forever gone. That means there's less supply for Shiba. So that's a story, bullish story for where Shiba price will go even higher because of less supply in the system. So keep an eye out for this, and yeah, feel free to join our Discord. It's a very tiny Discord. We don't do any pumps and dumps. We have a small community. I wrote like a lot of bot commands. Coming here, and we talk about things like that. We talk about Shiba. We talk about altcoins, DeFi, NFTs, and stuff. We also have some fun bot commands, so you can play the slot with crypto, completely free with our virtual coins. So yeah, come join and come talk. We love to have you there. And that is it for this story. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.